This is social media versus reality. First, we start with the Tulip Gardens. This beautiful flower garden is located in the Netherlands. The harmony of the flowers with each other is stunning. In reality, it is even more magnificent and colorful than it appears on social media. Next is the Fushimi Inari Shrine. This shrine is located in Kyoto, Japan's former capital. The most interesting and remarkable structure of the shrine is its thousands of orange torii gates. In reality, it looks stunning but is very crowded. Next is Pachon Herb Island. This place, where everything is pink, is located in South Korea. You might feel like you are in a dream. It has an amazing beauty. In reality, it looks even more beautiful and has a wonderful natural charm.